Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Logitech Folio Touch keyboard case for the iPad Air 4. So what this case enables you to do is basically use your iPad like a computer or desktop, because Apple has released their, support for mouse and trackpad for their iPads now with their iPadOS, and so now you're able to use it, and we can already see that by them releasing their new Magic keyboards and all the brand new keyboard technology, and also the new software inclusions that they have for supporting a trackpad. So let's go and begin. This keyboard is made by Logitech, and it is also sold on Apple's website. You can get this for around $160, I believe, $160 USD, and so it's a pretty good buy when considering the fact that their own keyboard with the trackpad costs around like $300 USD. So this is a lot cheaper, plus it is from a reliable company, Logitech. Basically, probably a lot of people know about this company already because it is one of the, best brands for this type of stuff. So let's go ahead and begin our unboxing. So first up, let's go ahead and check out the box. You can already see that it just says Folio Touch keyboard case with trackpad and smart connector technology. So that's one of the benefits. You use the smart connector on your iPad Air right here, and so you don't need to charge it up or anything. Once you connect it, it connects right away to your iPad, and it just uses the battery from that. Also, one other thing, you can get a variant which is for the iPad Pro, the 11-inch iPad Pro. So there isn't any for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro yet, but they do have one for the 11-inch iPad Pro. So when buying this case, be careful to buy the one for your specific iPad, so you don't go out and get it for the iPad Air 4 when you have the iPad Pro, or like get it for the iPad Pro when you have the iPad Air 4, because there are some differences, and one of these being the new fingerprint sensor on the power button. So let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. The back just explains some things. Backlit keyboard, which is nice to have. High precision trackpad, iOS shortcut keys. Keyboard connects via smart connector, so you don't need to pair it or charge it. Adjustable viewing angles. Watch movies and videos, browse and read, sketch and take notes, which is nice. And this is what it looks like when you are, staring down at the keyboard. So we can go ahead and begin the unboxing. So there is a pull tab right here, which I'll pull, and you get to see the iPad case right here, the Smart Folio Touch case, right in front of you as soon as you unbox it, which is nice. And do we have anything else inside of here? Nope, so nothing else, so we can put that to the side and take out the case first. So let's pull it out, and that is about it. So we do have some, a manual just to show you what to do, how you put it in, So we're gonna have to push it in like this and then clip it onto the top portion. And it also talks about the Apple Pencil carry right there. So let's go ahead and put all this to the side and check out the case, because that is the main attraction we're here for. So we have this magnetic, holder, which keeps the case closed. So if you drop your case, it's still gonna keep closed, because this does seem like a strong magnet, as you can see. And also, you're able to store your Apple Pencil right here. So once you put your iPad in here, it connects via the magnetic mount that it has. And then you can also store it in here with this little area, with this little portion that is there to keep it in there for sure, so you don't drop it at all. Let's go ahead and open this up. We do have our trackpad and keyboard right here. And then we also have the portion for the iPad. So there is a little sticker or something. Okay, I just removed that real quick, put that to the side. And now we can put in the iPad. So the camera is up here, so we're gonna have to put it in like this. So it's set to slide it in and then snap the top part. Now make sure everything is in there. And so, boom. So everything is connected, and we have gotten the iPad Air into the case. So that was pretty easy. And overall, this does feel pretty good in the hand. So the material is really nice. So it's this hardcover back and front that is protecting it with this plastic film over it, which gives off this nice design, as you can see. And then we also have it on the back. Plus we have our camera cutout right there, so it keeps everything open. We have the camera, which is not being closed off by anything, and it is going to be perfectly fine in there. As you can see, it's lifted up a lot. And now let's go ahead and open this up real quick. So all you gotta do is pull this right here, and then drop the keyboard, and then throw this to the side, open up the back. So let me go and show from this side. We do have that back portion that you have to adjust, and boom. So this is what it looks like when it's opened up. Let me go ahead and change the angle a little and bring it back. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you have brought up the iPad. It looks really nice overall. Okay, we do have an accessory update, which is okay. So this is how it will look when using the Smart Folio Touch keyboard. So let me go ahead and switch the angle to the keyboard right here. As you can see, this is what the keyboard looks like. Overall, it feels pretty nice. The button spacing is really nice as well. This is our home button right here. I will go ahead and check out the trackpad. So the trackpad support looks really nice. Let me go ahead and show that to you. As you can see, boom, it's right there. I will go ahead and click update. Okay, so this is going to do some updates for Logitech control. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right here and let it update so we can actually go ahead and check out the functionality of the keyboard case that we have in front of us. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll get back to y'all in a second. So I finally got it updated. So there's an update for there was a software update for the keyboard and the connector, the Apple connector, the magnetic connector on the back. And there was also a Logitech control download. So I went ahead and installed it, obviously, because I'm going to be using this keyboard case. And so what this enables you to do is it just gives you your updates and all that, and your keyboard is up to date. So this is basically where you update your keyboard from. So once you download this, you're always able to update your keyboard from here, and there's no need to go to anything else. So for the past 2 minutes, I've been using this, and so far it's been going pretty good. Overall, I've enjoyed using it. There is all the controls right here. So as you can see, this is brightness right here. We have brightness, and then they also made it look similar to their MacBook series. So that's pretty nice. And this might be the way to go in the future, near future. We might even use iPads as our laptops from now on. We also have the volume, as you can see, and then we can mute right away. So that's pretty nice. It's really easy to handle. And then we also have our backlit keyboard. So you just hold this. Let me go ahead and show you the keyboard real quick. So as you can see, this is our keyboard right here. And as you can see right here, it is going up and down. Let me go ahead and turn off the light real quick, just so you can see better. Boom. So this is our backlit keyboard. There is minimal light in here, and you're able to see the light. So it's pretty bright, and especially during the dark, it'll get really bright for sure. But I will be keeping it off for now because I really don't need it. I'm in my room and there's no need for the backlit keyboard. Maybe during the night when you're, let's say, on your desk and you don't want to turn on your lights or anything, or you're in a dark place, this backlit keyboard will be perfectly fine for you. So let's go ahead and turn the light back on. Boom. And let me give you all my overall impressions on this. So far, I have been using it for a couple of minutes now, and so far it's been going pretty good. I've actually enjoyed using it, and it's been really nice. It's pretty easy to use. And then we're also able to fold this up into the back and do this right here. So we're also able to fold it, and when it's folded up, it notices that you have folded it, and so nothing happens. As you can see, I'm clicking all the buttons in the back and nothing is happening. I'm clicking the home button that was on the bottom now at least, and nothing is happening. So you're able to use your iPad like normal. And it's pretty easy to use. So easy access keyboard, and overall a pretty fun, I guess, use case, especially if you're not carrying a MacBook around anymore and you just want to carry something lighter. This is going to be the perfect choice for you. Go get an iPad and get their smart keyboard cases, either from Apple, depending on your budget, either from Apple or the one I just reviewed, the Logitech Folio Touch keyboard, and you will be perfectly satisfied with what you have right here. So that basically wraps this video up. Overall, my impressions about this Logitech Folio Touch keyboard are pretty good, and I will have to test it out for a little while more, just so I can give you all my full review, which I will probably post pretty soon. I'll use this iPad as my main daily driver instead of using a laptop or anything for a couple days, and then after that period, I will make a video on it and talk about my, I guess, thoughts on it and my impressions on if you're able to use it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.